Justin Bieber.
All good in the hood.
Oh, yes.
So yun, may mga guests ako came from Spain. Bagay sila. Ganda ng view dito. Bagay sila kasi maganda tsaka pogi. Guwapins. Hindi tayo pa dyan, Gar. Ano tayo, tiklop? May guest from Spain. Ma'am. Hola.
Hello.
And handsome. I show you handsome. My friend, El Guapito.
El Guapito.
El Guapito. Mi Guapito Loco.
Loco.
Yeah, Guapito Loco. Shout out me, Justin Bieber. Hey, guapo, maganda. You know maganda means?
No?
Beautiful.
Oh,
Beautiful.
Yeah, and handsome you. Pogi, pogi. Yeah, you're meant to be. Meant to be. Bagay kayo. You know bagay kayo?
Yes.
Meant to be.
Meant to be.
Yes.
Ah, pareja.
Yeah, pareha. Lovebird.
Novios.
Maganda. Guapita, guapito. Yun. Nasa ABS-CBN ng guest ko. Okay. So yun, habang ini-interview yung guest ko, gusto ko lang i-shout out ang lahat ng mga followers o viewers na nakakapanood nito. Maraming salamat sa pagsusuporta nyo. Lahat kayo, mga ropa, mga gar. Maraming salamat. Blessed up.
And so different. And is safe. And the people is very good. And that's all.
How do you like it so far as first time? What can you say as a first time traveler here?
It's my first time in Manila, and I see very different Spanish.
How different? Why different?
The car
People.
is too different, the street, the house too different, and the people, yes.
Do you feel danger or you're more safe?
No, I don't feel dangerous. I very safe. No.
Go ahead. What else? What else do you think of the Philippines?
It's so beautiful and so different that I see on my day.
If given the chance, will you come back again?
Yes. I am sure that I come back
Thank
in
you.
the future.
Thank you so much.
Celia.
At dahil pala Spain tong sakay ko, kayang-kaya nilang basahin yung mga ganitong nakasulat. Pampauto gaming tayo. Ma'am. Sir.
La flor de loto.
Here.
This is
Flor.
Loto.
Name.
Yeah, name Kalachuchi.
Te parece un montón.
Yeah, pampauto. You can put here, ma'am. Yes. Good.
Ay, if you
So, ma'am, I hope you enjoy our tour. How about the tour?
Good tour.
The best.
Photography.
Photography is very experience.
You, ma'am, you became model. Also, sir, became model in my photography.
Yes.
Muchas gracias.